Old English morphology, we showed that Old English demonstratives were highly inflected. There were two forms for the number, singular and plural. Here only the singular is represented. There were 3 genders and 5 cases. But by the end of the Middle English period, only these 2 forms had survived to denote the singular, and in the plural we had these and those. At the same time, the indeclinable article the developed. It split off from true demonstratives and at first only replaced Old English se and seo, the masculine and feminine nominative singular forms of present-day English, that. Let's look at pronouns next. We already mentioned in the e-lecture about the Old English morphology that of all the categories of present-day English, the personal pronouns are the most conservative. They have retained 3 cases: subject case, object case and genitive, and are almost identical to those in Middle English, with the exception that the Old English dual was no longer part of the Middle English system. The major difference between Middle English and present-day English was the consistent use of 3 cases and the maintenance of the second person singular and plural distinction. Middle English had no relative pronoun as such. Instead, it used the indeclinable particle that supplanted Old English the as an all-purpose pronoun, for example, as a relative pronoun. Let's finally look at verbs and the system of conjugation.